Hi guys, let's make some clear plots. So let me choose these two columns and then insert scatter the points. So after I scatter the points, let me select these grid lines. So for my grid lines, and then I make them transparent. Similarly, I make these grid lines transparent. I select the horizontal grid lines, make them transparent. Now let me focus on the axis. So I make them darker and thicker, and y-axis also, and let me insert some grid lines. Let's change the font of the numbers here. So the font, let it be Times New Roman with the size of 20, and this one Times New Roman 20. Make them darker. So let's change the axis options to maximum as 45, and here we change the minimum to 250. So we have a clear plot now. So let's change the bulletins. So we go to the marker options, we change the bulletin, we keep them, we make them a square and increase the size. Let's change the filling of this size. Let's make it red, and also let us change the border to red. So we have a clear plot now, and let us insert the y2 also. So when we copy paste this, so let's change these numbers. So let us format the data series, and we can make them secondary axis. So after we make them secondary, let's change the marker. We choose the bulletin, and we can choose any shape we want. Let's take square circle and increase it to the same size as previous one. Let's change this one also to Times New Roman 20, and let's put the tick marks inside. So we can change the line color to darker and thicker. So now we can increase the size of this one or decrease the size. Now let's go to chart design and add the chart element axis title, which is primary horizontal, that is nothing but the x value. And let's go to home and change the font as well as the size to bigger value. And let us add y element. And let us add secondary vertical also. And now let's add uh, a trend line to this one, and we can format the trend line, the shape and color. Let's add a blue color. We can change it to dashes, and we can add some length to it back and forth. So if you want, you can have one. And you can display the equation on the chart, which is a linear line, so it's a linear equation. And you can change the font as well as the size of this one, so you can show it like this. Now you can add something called standard deviation, so we can go to chart design and add error bars, so we can add standard deviation. So you get some horizontal bars and vertical bars. So let's take the horizontal bars and format the error bars. So let's take the standard deviation to be 0. And let's format these error bars and add a custom value, so we can specify the value. So I can specify the value from here to here. No, I think it's from E to E. Can specify the value again here. I press OK, and you can see that there are some standard deviation values that have been included here. If you want, you can increase the size of these, so you can put 10, and you can see there are error bars that are created. So in this way you can create a beautiful plot with Excel. Thank you very much for watching this video.